Hello guys, this is AO Star FX. It's your boy Aaron Siachalema, and I want you to I want you to I'm introducing you to this strategy that I'm using on boom and crash. The new strategy I'm using for boom and crash. So this strategy is on fire, guys. It's on fire. So I want to show you the setups. Then after showing the setups, then I do one or two trades. Then as you can see, this is a live account, and on my analysis it shows that it's a buy. So I'm supposed to enter here. I'm late. I'm supposed to enter here for only 8 candles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the last. So I'm late for this trade, guys. I'm really late. So what I'll do, I'll walk you through. Let me check if there is another potential trade. Okay, this one is going for a spike. Okay, it is going for a spike. So before I teach you this, let me show you the setups, guys. Okay, on the setups, guys, we start with the main chart. The main chart, you put Bollinger Bands. So Bollinger Bands, you can screenshot the settings. Bollinger Bands, you can check on your Bollinger Bands on this one. Then you check on your Bollinger Bands. So the setting, guys, the setting for Bollinger Bands is 32, period 34, then deviation 1.6 19, then shift to 0, then apply to close. After applying to close, then you can choose the mix, the pixel of your choice, then click done. Okay, it's done, guys. Then you also go for the same main chart. So main chart, you put moving average, period D 48, shift 0, exponential, then apply to previous data as indicator. Then previous data is indicator. Then style, you can choose the style, but I prefer you use 3 pixel, then put the color of your choice. Okay, then click done. Okay, then on indicator window 1, we first put the RSI. The RSI, you can go to your indicators, you click on RSI, then RSI, you put period 1, apply to close, then 2 pixel, it doesn't matter this one, 2 pixel, then choose the color of your choice. Then on the levels, guys, you put 90 and 10, then click done. Okay, then again on the same indicator number 1, you put another indicator, which is the moving average. In this case, you are putting moving average 5. You period 5, shift 0, exponential, apply to close, 3 pixel, and the color of your choice. Then you click done. Okay, then after that, you go to another indicator. You can choose indicators from here, guys. You can choose indicator from there. Then you go to MACD. You set to 13, fast moving average EMA 13, slow EMA 48, then SMA, MACD SMA 1, apply to low, 3 pixel and the 3 pixel. Then you can choose the color of your choice, guys. You can choose the color of your choice, then you leave levels like that, then click done. Oh, sorry, I've just applied another one. Let me just delete this one, guys. Okay, let me just delete this one. Okay, since I already have this one, I already have MACD. Now after doing that, you look at your main chart. Okay, your main chart. Here I'm using 2 indicators. Okay, I'm using 2 indicators here, guys. The first one is for the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band, you have seen it as spiked. So I was telling you that we are going for a spike. So I'm late, guys. This is just a spike, and I didn't put a trade there because I was busy analyzing. I was busy talking here. Okay, so the criteria for indicator number 1, this one for the Bollinger Bands and the RSI and the moving average 5. I usually trade this using the 15 minutes time frame, and guys, this one is a bomb. This is a bomb, guys. This is a bomb. It's an explosion. Okay, so before you trade this indicator, you have to go first to weekly. What does weekly show you? It's bullish. Weekly showing you that the market is bullish. So you are going to look for only buy signals. Are we together, guys? We are going to look for only buy signals. So after this, you go to day 1. Day 1 is showing you selling signal. Day 1 is showing you selling signal. So now there are two different things. Day 1 shows you sell signal, and the weekly is showing you buy signal. So it is not a good trade, guys. For the whole day, this trade isn't good. Then you move to another chart. So let's go to another in this. Okay, this is boom 500. Now let me remove this, my trend lines, so that we can have a clear chart. Okay, I was trying to analyze this market. Let me just nudge this one so that you can see, you can be able to see. Okay, so on the daily time frame, it's showing me that it is a sell signal. It's a sell signal. Then I look at weekly, also it is a sell. So on boom 500, I'm going to look for only sell signal, guys. Only sell signals. Okay, now after finding out that this is the only sell signal, okay, I'll resume it to level 3 or level 3. Okay, this is the best level 3, or you can zoom it to your lowest level, but I would like to be seeing the candles. Okay, then after that, I'll go to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, what are you looking at, guys? On the 1 hour time frame, you are looking for buying selling signals. Okay, selling signals, because our daily time frame shows that we need to be selling, and our weekly time frame shows that it's a sell. So now we are looking for selling signals. Okay, so to look for sell signals, I'm going to go to my Bollinger Band. Okay, let me show you the previous one, since this one is still, it has to take time for it to reach somewhere there, the upper Bollinger Band. So I'm going to show you the easiest one using this one. Okay, the selling opportunity here. Okay, here guys, so here is the thing. When you see when you see your moving average 5 crossing this upper Bollinger Band, and it comes back to retest the Bollinger Bands and breaks through it here at this point, then you go also to your main chart. You go to your main chart. Okay, let's go to the main chart. You go to the main chart, you see that also the main chart, it breaks through this upper Bollinger Band, and you have the first candle after breaking, it's a tweezer top. This one, it's a hammer, and this one a tweezer, then followed by another hammer. So it means that it gives you the signal of selling. So you sell the market, you enter here, you enter at this point, this point, and you ride the market until it reaches the middle Bollinger Band. And look at how many pips you are going to get, guys, from here to there. A lot of pips, guys, a lot of pips, a lot. Okay, now I'm going to also show you another example, guys. Another example is here. Since we are looking for only sell signals for daily and weekly, another sell signal is here, guys. It's here. Okay, here price moved and broke through this, then it came here to enter into the Bollinger Band. And observe here, what do you see here? Price came, okay, price came and here, okay, let me delete this one. Price came here and broke through this upper Bollinger Band. We have the confirmation of it being a sell. This is a doji, and the other one there, then the other one there, then you sell the market, guys. Okay, so the confirmation is right here. Let me show you. It broke through the Bollinger Band here. So where do you put your trade? Just right there. Okay, you put your trade here. So you have to use the smallest lot size. Guys. Then you hold for 1 hour. It breaks through there and it will come. Guys, let me tell you one thing. No matter what the market does, as long as this 5 EMA closes, this Bollinger Band, as long as it closes, the market will always come back, guys. It will always come back. So no matter what the market does, it always obeys this strategy. Okay, let me check the live account. Let me check if there's any trade around here. Okay, now we are looking for, let's go for crash 1000. Let's go to weekly is bullish, so we are buying crash. We go to daily, we are also buying crash 1000. So you go to your 1 hour chart. Your 1 hour chart shows you that it is already on the upper Bollinger Band. So this trade would have entered the trade here, guys. Would have entered the trade on the middle of the Bollinger Band. You see the price broke through because the middle Bollinger Band and this lower Bollinger Band and the upper Bollinger Bands, they act and support as the resistance. So when price reaches here, it broke through, came to retest, it broke through. Then you enter your trade here, guys. After entering your trade here, right here, so you enter your trade here for this candle. After this candle has formed on this one, this candle, you enter right here. You ride the market, guys. Ride the market until boom, you reach the upper Bollinger Band and you exit the market. You can either exit the market here or exit the market when the moving averages touches the Bollinger Band there. And look at how much money you can make, guys. Look at how much money you can make. It's a lot. Okay, so we look for another opportunity. Boom. Okay, boom 1000. Boom 1000. What opponent are we looking at? Okay, boom 1000. It shows an indecision of the market. The market is not yet decided where it wants to go. Okay, you can see this one. You can see this one, guys. See this one. See this candle. See this candle. Okay, so the market hasn't decided yet where it is going. Let us go to daily. Daily shows it is bearish. Okay, so I drew the trend line there and I drew a trend line there to show that it's really going down. Okay, so what you do, you make sure that okay, now so what we are looking for here is we check there and we check there, so it's a sell. So I drew this trend line to see the market direction, since the daily time frame did not decide, the weekly time frame did not decide where the market is going. So I decided to draw the trend line and see the direction of the market. So I expect the next candle to form here, then starts going down until it meets this trend line. So meaning this is a clear downtrend, guys. It's a clear downtrend. So I'd put my trade here. And I exited here. Okay, let me go to 1 hour. 1 hour, I show you guys. I show you my trade. Okay, on 1 hour, I put the trade here. Okay, then I rode until it reached here. I exited. Then since this one is a buy, I'm only looking for selling opportunities, so I did not buy this one. I entered here, I exited here. Then I did not enter this one. I did not enter on this one until there. Okay, so now this one shows that the market is still going down until it meets the trend line. Okay, so this is for the first strategy, guys. So you can still pause the video and check through the video, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can try it on demo account, and this guys really works. Then the other strategy that I'm going to tell you guys is using the 1 minute time frame. Okay, 1 minute time frame, and I'm only using the moving average 48, and I'm also using the MACD. Okay, the MACD. So what opportunities am I looking at? What opportunities am I looking at? Okay, when you see your moving average 48 crossing the price to the upside, then check your MACD here. If MACD crosses the 0 point, it means that the market is going for an uptrend. Let me show you guys. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I show you this one here. This one is not showing. Okay, let me just see this one. The market crosses here. Okay, the market crosses here, and the crosses this MACD here, so it goes for an uptrend. And look at how much money you can make from here up to there. So only exit when this moving average crosses the price to the downside. You exit, guys. Then again you check. There's another potential trade here. It has closed this price and the MACD has crossed there. Then you put a sell position. You ride it until somewhere there, then you exit the market. Check here. Let me check this one. Check also here. You ride it until there. Check there. So it has crossed here, it crossed there, so you ride until there. So this is the strategy, guys. You can try this on the demo account before you try on the real account. So now the price now has crossed this one, so it crossed this one and it crossed right there. So if I'd put my buy position here, I was going to be a profit, guys, until somewhere there. Then I'll see. If I check here, I check on my, let me check on my 15 minutes time frame. Okay, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, it shows that the market is going a little bit downside. Okay, so I would not enter this one. I would not enter this one. I would not enter this trade. I would just exit somewhere there after the spike. So this is all, guys. If you feel you can ask so many questions, if you have so many questions to ask, go to my description box. You ask me questions. There's my email there and my number. You can send me a WhatsApp questions. Then I'll be explaining a lot about this video, guys. So if you need the personal assistant, I'll be there, guys. Thank you very much. This is Aaron Sechalema from AO Star FX.